In this video, we'll look at hosting your .htaccess tricks that can help speed up your website without changing anything the WordPress dashboard. Before editing, .htaccess make a backup of the file. Incorrect rules can cause website errors, so it's important to have a copy you can restore. First, make sure you log into the hostinger. Now, open the website and then click this dashboard from your chosen website. Once you're inside, click this open here in the file manager. Open the public underscore HTML folder and locate the .htaccess file. In each panel, you can right click the file and then choose the edit. One useful optimization is browser caching. This tells returning visitors browser to keep static files such as images, CSS, and JavaScript for a period of time. So those files don't need to be downloaded again on every visit. You can add an expires rules to your htaccess file to control how long different file types are cached. Hostinger provides an example that caches images for up to a year, CSS, and some of other assets for a month, and then uses a shorter default period for other files. So after adding your rules in here, click this save icon from the top right corner and then close the file and test your website in a private browser window. So check your home page, navigation, images, forms, and other important pages. One important warning: don't blindly paste random .htaccess snippets from the internet. Hostinger notes that incorrect .htaccess configuration can cause server errors. Also, if you already use Hostinger Cache Manager or a WordPress caching plugin, avoid creating conflicting caching rules. Hostinger recommends using only one WordPress cache plugin at a time. And that's it. That's how to use Hostinger.htaccess tricks to improve your site speed without touching WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.